Elephants, the most intelligent giants on Earth, creatures whose presence alone feels like nature is telling a story millions of years old. Today, we dive deep into the world of elephants and uncover facts you never knew, facts that will make you see this magnificent animal with new eyes. When you look at an elephant, the first thing you notice is its size, but the real magic lies in its brain. Elephants have the largest brain of any land animal, weighing almost 5 kilograms, packed with over 257 billion neurons in the cerebellum. Their memory is so extraordinary that they can recognize faces, remember water routes after decades, and even recall enemies. Scientists say an elephant never truly forgets, and this isn't a myth, it's biology. But intelligence isn't just memory, it's emotion, connection, understanding, and elephants excel in all of these. An elephant mother can sense her baby even in a crowded herd, and when a family member dies, elephants gather around, touch the bones gently with their trunks, and stand silently as if mourning. This behavior is rare in the animal kingdom, it shows consciousness, empathy, something many animals never display. And it doesn't stop here. Elephants can actually communicate through vibrations in the ground. Yes, their feet pick up signals from miles away, and their low-frequency rumbles can travel further than human ears can hear. They talk, but not the way we do, they talk in the language of nature. They warn each other about danger, call their calves, or even signal when they find water. Speaking of water, elephants have incredible navigation skills. A matriarch, the oldest female in the herd, leads the family. Her wisdom is the map of the group. She remembers safe paths, hidden waterholes, and areas where predators roam. In droughts, when everything is dry and hopeless, the matriarch relies on memories from decades earlier to save her herd. This is not just intelligence, this is leadership, survival, and legacy. But the trunk. If elephants amaze us with their intelligence, then part 2 of their story reveals something even deeper, how these giants not only understand the world around them, but also shape it in ways no other land animal can. Let's begin with something extraordinary. Elephants have a complex emotional world. Scientists say elephants experience joy, sadness, jealousy, compassion, anger, and even forgiveness. Their emotional spectrum is so rich that when two elephants reunite after years apart, they greet each other with excited trumpets, touching trunks, even dancing in circles, a celebration of memory and bond that very few species display. But emotions alone don't define them, their cultural memory does. Yes, elephants actually pass down traditions. A herd remembers ancient migration paths, safe watering holes, and predators' territories. Mothers teach daughters where to go during droughts, which areas to avoid during monsoon, and how to handle threats like lions or humans. This shared knowledge becomes the library of the herd, and the matriarch is its librarian. When she dies, the herd doesn't just lose a leader, they lose a lifetime of wisdom. Researchers have seen herds fall into chaos, making wrong decisions, even starving, simply because their matriarch was killed by poachers. This shows that an elephant family is not a random group, it is a living institution built on memory, leadership, and learning. And speaking of learning, elephants are among the few animals that show compassion towards outsiders. They comfort wounded animals, lift turtle shells to help them cross roads, protect injured antelopes, and even respond to human cries for help. In one famous case, a herd rescued a young boy who fell into a river by forming a protective circle and guiding him toward the shore. These are acts of kindness that textbooks can't fully explain, acts that come from empathy, something deeply rooted in their nature. Another fascinating thing is the way elephants interact with the